As Rashid pursued this thinking, he wondered what would happen to his function if he started with $5 on day 0 and then earned $1 a day. Model this situation with a table, graph, and explicit equation. Okay, so here's our graph. Before we can graph, let's label some things. Let's start with, we're still going to have days here. So it's going to be day number. We're going to have dollars up here. So money earned in dollars. And then we can probably just go by ones. So let's go 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. And then dollars. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Could go a little bit further. Okay, so now let's make our table next. I'm going to have x here, f of x. So on day 0, it says we're starting out with $5 on day 0. Start with 5. And then I want to earn $1 a day. So the next day I should have 6, the next day after that 7, the next day after that 8, and so on. So if I start to plot these points, I have $5 here, and then $6, $7, $8, $9 like that. So my line would look like this. And I should draw that straight out, I guess. Right there. Okay. And then my explicit equation would be, so my f of x value looks like it's 5 bigger than my x value. So I could do f of x equals, start out with 5, and then add whatever x is. If I'm going to write this in like the traditional order, it would be whatever my x value is plus 5.